In this video, we'll walk you through the steps needed to integrate your existing Shopify account with your Palmstreet account. This will allow you to manage listings and inventory from both accounts. To get started, open your existing Shopify page. From the home page, go to Settings, Locations, Add Location. This location is used to identify your Palmstreet inventory, so give it a name you'll remember. I'll use Palmstreet Store. For the address, this is just a placeholder used to identify your Palmstreet inventory. Just make sure to use a different address than your actual shipping location, and you'll see why when we start to transfer products. Click Save. Now, go back to your main page in Shopify, and we're going to work on transferring products. Click Products, Inventory, and choose the products you want to transfer over to your Palmstreet account. I'm going to select all, create transfer. Now, your origin address needs to be different than your destination address. Use your shipping address for origin, and for destination, use the address we created in the first step, Palmstreet Store. Now click Save. In the drop-down, mark as transferred, and click Save. Let's create our Palmstreet app. On the sidebar, click Apps, App Settings, Develop Apps, and Build Apps in Dev Dashboard. Click Create App. Give your app a name you'll remember, like Palmstreet Store. Click Create. From here, we'll configure 4 different scopes. Scroll down till you find the access window and click Select Scopes. We're going to search for 4 different scopes. Product listings, click Read and Write. We'll search for products, read and write. We'll also search for locations and click the same permissions, read and write. And finally, we'll search for inventory. Click Done. Now you should see all 4 of these scopes listed here with write and read permissions. Scroll down and click Release. Give this a version name, which should be entered as a number, and click Release. From here, we'll go to the sidebar and click Home, Install App, click your store, and install. Going back to the home page, you can double check to make sure that your Palmstreet app is installed by looking at installs on the right. You'll see that one app is installed. Click the arrow and you can see that your Palmstreet store is successfully installed. Back on the home page, click Settings. Take note of 2 pieces of information. You will need your client ID and the secret, which you unhide by clicking this eye. Copy these 2 pieces of information and keep them handy because we're going to head over to Seller Hub and use these to continue the integration. Open another tab and head over to your Seller Hub. In the sidebar under integrations, Shopify, click settings. This will bring up these fields to enter your client ID and code. You'll need to enter your Shopify URL here. Then grab your client ID if you haven't already and drop that into client ID. Grab your secret code and drop that here. If you do see an error come up like I have here, you just need to remove the slash and you'll be all set. And remove the HTTPS. Now click connect. Once your store is connected, make sure you choose the correct address that you entered earlier for your Palm Street store and click Sync Inventory and confirm. Now you're all set and your Palm Street inventory is now synced with your Shopify inventory.